This is a quick video on how to use a miter box. I have my line drawn. These lines are, you have a 90, 45, and then you have straight cuts. So this will allow you to go straight into the 45, going that way or this way, depending on which way you need to cut it. And this will allow you to make straight cuts. And you can use just a regular hand saw. I've had this for a while. I need to get me a new blade. But yeah, so you want to hold it, press it down, make sure your line lines up with the straight line, and you just go into it. This is going to take some time because it is a plywood and it's really strong. But this is the way to ensure straight cuts. If you are not familiar with hand saws and doing it alone, this miter box I got from Home Depot, and this will definitely help you to ensure that your cuts are straight. And I definitely need a new blade, but let me continue cutting and show you how straight it is. Make sure your saw blade is sharp because this is old. I don't know what I did with my blades, but it takes a lot longer when the blade is not sharp. A lot longer. So here we go. Oops, that's not gonna be a problem. So there's my cut, and let's see how it fits the project. So I'm creating a dining room table, and I needed to cut this in order to put these sides together, and boom, we have a perfect fit. Bam, we have a perfect fit. So now I can glue my table down and put the screws in it and get it prepared. Now let me cut the other end because that's how this end was. So let me cut the other end. Almost there, almost there. And then I'm gonna do another video to show you how to fill in holes, the best way to fill in holes instead of getting wood putty. So let me continue and then stay tuned. All right, let's see how this one fits. Bam. Perfect fit. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was just a quick tip on how to use a miter box and a hand saw. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a comment below. If you have any questions, leave them below as well, and I'll be sure to get back to you, and I will see you guys later, Gators.